My dear students, in continuation to the biotechnology and its applications, today we will go through the applications of biotechnology. This biotechnology is the modernmost field of biology, involving almost the majority of the scientific fields. The biotechnology finds its application in the sector of foods. The important foods employing microorganisms during their preparation are, for example, we prepare the bread in which the yeast is added. Microorganisms. We prepare the dosa in which this biotechnology involves application, and we prepare soya as well as sauce. This is the sector of foods. In the dairy products, we also use biotechnology. How the biotechnology is employed in the production of dairy products. Dairy products include yogurt, it includes curd, it includes cheese, in which it is applied, it includes butter, in which the biotechnology shows applications. Their preparation depends upon scientific strains of microorganisms. The scientific strains of microorganisms are used to produce cheese in the smallest time possible, and curd is also produced by shortest time span by the applications of biotechnology. And we prepare alcoholic beverages or alcoholic products are produced by this. For the preparation of beer, wine and whiskey, we involve the biotechnological methods, because for the fermentation of grapes and other such products which contain sugar, they are easily fermented by microorganisms. And so far the non-alcoholic beverages are concerned, they also involve biotechnology. They are produced by curing of coffee beans and tea leaves by fermentation due to microbial action. Microbial action is involved for the fermentation of tea leaves and coffee leaves. That also involves applications of biotechnology. So far the sewage treatment is concerned, biotechnology is involved. Different types of bacteria, fungi and algae take part in the removal of organic matter in the sewage. We utilize a large number of bacteria to obtain organic matter from the sewage for its degradation. One more field is the biogas production. For the biogas production, we utilize for example, the gobar gas manufacture involves the applications of biotechnology. This gobar gas is produced by fermentation of cow dung. Whenever there is fermentation, it takes place naturally also, but it can be enhanced by addition of some microorganisms, bacteria, fungi and yeast, which involves microbiology also, as well as biotechnology. This biogas is produced from cow dung, farm refuse or garbage by methane bacteria in anaerobic conditions. We utilize the bacteria which are called as methane bacteria, which work in the absence of oxygen. So far the production of biofertilizers is concerned. Biofertilizers are biological fertilizers. These are different from nitrogenous and phosphate fertilizers. They are nitrogen fixing microorganisms which are found either in the soil or associated with the plants. The biofertilizers are likely to reduce the need of chemical fertilizers. These biofertilizers are also produced by biotechnological methods. And we also produce organic acids. Organic acids are also produced by the biotechnology, like lactic acid, gluconic acid, acetic acid and citric acid. They are also produced by biotechnology. So far the production of enzymes in the artificial manner is concerned. Enzymes are already present in the living bodies, in the cells, for running physiological machinery, but these enzymes are also produced artificially for industrial and medicinal use due to the microbial processes. In the vitamins can be also like B2 and B12 these are also the products of microorganisms. So whenever we culture these microorganisms, we obtain vitamins in large quantities for the medicinal applications. So far the antibiotics are concerned. Antibiotics, these are those substances to kill the pathogens. They are also derived from the fermentation of organic compounds. Fermentation of organic compounds. These antibiotics can be produced. So far the production of vaccines is concerned. The vaccines are very important to cure pathogenesis in advance. They provide immunity against important diseases. Vaccines contain modified or inactivated or killer pathogens. They are inactivated or killer pathogens and their antigens. So far the hormonal sector is concerned. Hormones are proteins that regulate the body physiology and involve endocrinology, such as insulin, growth hormone, and other hormones. These are mostly synthesized through the use of microbes and genetic engineering. There are also other branches of applications such as monoclonal antibodies. Monoclonal antibodies are also produced against pathogens. They can be obtained from clonal cultures of microbes. Again, the microbes, their clonal cultures are used for production of these monoclonal antibodies. One more application is there, that is tissue culture. Tissue culture. These methods are used for the improvement of agriculture, forestry, induction of mutations and resistance. One more field is transplants. These transplants are used in test tube babies, and embryo transplant techniques are useful for tools of rapid multiplication and production of genetically improved superior varieties. So in these transplants, we also use biotechnological methods. Genetic engineering is itself one of the important applications of biotechnology. Genetic engineering. It is also called the recombinant DNA technology and brings about improvement of genetic makeup of an organism. And last but not the least is the steroids. These are derivatives of fats and commonly used as anti-fertility formation. They have a medicinal value and are employed in medicinal sector to cure deficiency disorder, deficiency disease in human beings. This is all about the applications of biotechnology. Thank you.